In this video, I will show you how to reinstall Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, maybe you're wanting to reinstall Windows 11 because you're having some technical difficulties with your computer, or maybe you're just looking to sell your computer so you need to reinstall and reset your PC. Whatever reason you need to do this, I'll show you how to do this step by step. So to start with, from your desktop, what you want to do is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click into the search box and type settings. And then what you want to do is open up settings, which should come up underneath best match. Once you're in your settings, what you need to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto system. In here, you're going to see a few different options, and what you want to do is scroll down until you see the option for recovery. It's just a bit down the page just here, then go ahead to give that a click. And then what you want to do is look for the recovery option section and click where it says reset PC. Now what that's going to do is bring up a window like this, and you're going to have two options. What you can do is completely remove everything, which means that's going to remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. If you do this, just a note that it might be worth backing up your personal files because you're not going to be able to access them as they will be permanently deleted. The second option, you can choose to keep your files, so you can remove apps and settings, but it keeps your personal files. So you just want to choose the appropriate option from here. In this example, we're going to go for remove everything. So it's just going to take a minute to get things ready, as you see, and then it's going to ask how you would like to reinstall Windows. At this point, you've got two options. You have the option to download and reinstall Windows from the cloud, or you can do a local reinstall Windows from this device. So it's completely up to you what you want to do. In this example, we're going to go for a local reinstall, and what it's going to do now is just confirm your current settings. So to remove apps and files, do not clean the drive, and reinstall Windows from this device. If you're happy to proceed, come down and click next at the bottom, and then it's going to get everything ready. So it's just going to take a minute or two to get everything ready to reinstall Windows. After a minute, you're going to get a window like this where it says ready to reset this PC. So resetting will, and then it's going to go through everything that's going to happen when you reinstall Windows, and of course reset your PC. So to continue, just go ahead, click reset. Now the length of time this takes does vary. It depends on sort of your PC and if you're keeping your files and how many programs and things like that you've got on your PC. So if you're on a laptop or something, you want to make sure that your laptop is plugged in so it doesn't shut down halfway through the process. But basically, yeah, you would just come down, click reset, and that's going to go ahead and reinstall Windows 11. So that is how to reinstall Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.